What's up guys, my name is Joe and today I'm coming at you from the David Rozman and BluMaan training program that we're starting. David and I are launching a training day that's going to take place in the David Rozman salon in Manchester. David, as a trained hairstylist, will be teaching and demonstrating the latest gents haircut, which includes haircutting demonstrations and hairstyling information such as how to communicate with your own barber. And I'll be around as well to walk you through the BluMaan hair products or any other hair questions that you might have about your own head of hair. Also, I'll be there filming and making some content as well. So yeah, the main point of the day, David's going to be doing some haircutting demonstrations, giving some information. We're both going to be answering some questions, hopefully resolving any hair related problems that you might be having. It's kind of the point of this whole thing. Now, this is an open event in terms of who it's for, all the way from just normal dudes who want some more information about their own hair to trained professionals who may be interested in either carrying BluMaan product or just having some more, some inspiration for your own haircutting technique. What's more, everyone receives free BluMaan products that values the price that you paid for the training day. So if you guys want to get tickets, you can do that straight from this page today, and I look forward to meeting you guys there.